Good morning, yeah. Good morning, all my friends, all my subscribers. Today I'm here to share with you what I've been using to reduce fever, cough, cold, even to boost my system against COVID-19. I never been declared COVID-19 positive, but because of this remedy I'm about to show you, when you start early, even though you're feeling bad, like you have COVID, when you go test, they're gonna tell you you don't have COVID. I know this because of COVID, a lot of people are turning back to old school remedies that our mothers have used before. So that's why today I decided to share with you this. So right now I have pineapple. It's supposed to be a green pineapple, but mine is a kind of red. You need pineapple. You need garlic. I have 2 bunch of garlic here. You need ginger. I need more, that's why I take this much. And you need lime. You need like 5 or 6 of lime. You need cloves. You need cloves. And this one, like I said before, I don't know how to call it in English. This is longer than cloves, and we usually have in African markets. So when you know the name, please comment and let me know how to call this in English. Okay, I need this. But if you don't have this, you don't. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter at all. But if you have it, use it. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna take off all this skin, because before we used to use the skin to cook to make this remedy, but it's been a long time. My parents told me that these days they don't use the skin anymore because the chemical that they use to produce this pineapple always stay in the skin. So by the time they started using it, people having uh, having cancer and all those big scary sickness, and they told them not to use the skin anymore. This my knife is too. It's not sharp, so I'm gonna look for another. I'm gonna use another one. Okay, so that's why I'm gonna take all the skin off. Before, all we do when we eat, we take the skin off. When we eat the pineapple, then we use those skin to make this or some other remedy for fever, malaria, and all those. But these days, I have told that they don't use anymore. My mom told me not to use anymore. That all the chemical are staying in the skin. So that's why now we need to use the actual fruit of pineapple to cook or to make this remedy or recipe. Okay, there you go. You need to cut this small. Let me tell you, after cleaning up this, I'm gonna put it right here. For ginger, all you need is to clean it. You don't have to take the skin off unless you see some dark skin. You take it off, but because the skin also has his virtue too. You need also the skin. God is so good. He has given us the power to use our natural plants, natural foods to cure anything that is called himself, anything that called itself a sickness. God has made a cure for it before, but because of the let's say evolution or what they call it, and we forgot everything. And when we use those medication, we don't get a cure, and we don't find what we needed. Then we go back to our mothers, our grandmothers style. So right now I'm gonna peel off this. I need to peel my garlic. Take the skin off the garlic. Let me just, when I'm done with peeling the garlic, then I'll continue the video. Okay, I'm done cleaning. I'm done peeling the garlic. So the garlic is ready. Just want to clean it up. Okay, I have told to pour the garlic at the bottom. The garlic, the ginger, all the small like this at the bottom. Then after I put this at the top, so that when I put it in the stove, those will be cooked very well. Okay, this is the flour. I need to add just a bunch, not a lot. That's enough. And this is my flour. This is not good anymore. Some of these are small. Okay, I'm gonna use 6. can squeeze it, then pour the rest in. Okay. Okay. Let me put this right here so that it will be shown. Okay. I need to cut it, the ginger in small pieces. I don't know where to put my phone so that everything will be showing more clearly. Hopefully you see the most important. So yeah, now I'm gonna cut this. I know this taking long, but every time when I want to do it, when I do it, I start from the ending. I feel like people don't like my video that way, so that's why I prefer to start everything from the beginning to show you what I use. Today I'm not showing my face because I'm not looking good, but I'm about to make this, so I decided just to show you and to tell you what I'm doing. I feel like eating this part. That's why I'm taking it off. Anyway, at this point, everything is almost ready. Anyway, only thing we need is to cook this for at least 30 minutes. It can be more than 30 minutes, but the least minute you can cook it is 30 minutes. Then if you want, you pour it. Yeah, you pour in a container that you like, or you can leave it on the stove. Every time you warm it up and drink it, you can take like half cup every time you need it. It's not like morning, afternoon, all that, but I prefer you use it when you are not feeling good, like you're having cough or cold, or even these days everybody need to be boosting their system, so you don't have to wait until you need it, because this COVID thing is getting me frustrated all the time. I don't know about you, but I just pray God that this COVID that stop as soon as possible. Yeah. Okay. So at this point, I'm gonna fill this up with water. Fill it up with water. You see, even though all those small items that are so small ingredients that I put under, they still coming up, but that's fine. Okay, it's filled up, so I'm about to put it on the stove. Okay, there you go. This is on the stove. I put it on the high. So I'm gonna let this cook for 30 to 45 minutes. Then I'll turn the stove off and let it cool down a little bit. Then I'll start drinking. You can give your kid, your child, a little bit, like maybe two teaspoons or one teaspoon. But like I said before, like I said in my previous video, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse, I don't know anything about medicine. All I know I'm sharing with you is from my parents, my mom, my friend, my relative. So just feel free if you think you can do the same thing, or you can try it out. It really gonna help you, especially when you're feeling weak. You're feeling like coughing, cold, you're feeling weak, like your system is down. Do this. You're gonna comment, you're gonna give me your feedback. Yes. I have other recipe I'll show you later on that you can use. You just need like this garlic, ginger, and other stuff. I'll show you later in my next video. Thank you for watching. Maybe I just don't want to wait until this is cooked, but that's all you need anyway. Maybe when after cooking it, after it's ready, I'll just snap the picture or snap a video to show you next. Thank you for watching and God bless you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.